Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Meta Merge Mana token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed July 12th, 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search MMM, 3 M's, that's the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, you can find their Twitter at metamerge_XYZ. Very well established project. 138,400 Twitter followers already. And they just joined in February 2023 on Twitter. So that is a lot of followers in a short amount of time. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Their total supply is 10 billion tokens. It looks like it's a deflationary token because on their BSC scan right now it says 8 million tokens. Now, they have, it looks like 26 holders so far. So this is like not only a brand new listing, but it looks like this is a brand new token in general. Now, they do have a full white paper that you can find on their page. Actually, it looks like a light paper, but it does have a lot of info on it. On their webpage, they also have a Discord group as well. They have a full link tree that you could find on their Twitter as well that's going to take you to all the links that you want. Lightpaper.metamerge.xyz is where you can find all the info. Metamerge.xyz is their webpage. So it says, welcome trainers to MetaMerge. So that kind of sounds like Pokemon right off the bat, the Pokemon trainers. Are you ready to embark on an epic quest to capture and train the most powerful pets in the land? It says, be warned, the road ahead is not easy. You'll face tough enemies and challenging obstacles as you journey through the world of MetaMerge. Are you ready for the challenge? Join us and let the adventure begin. So MetaMerge is a metaverse combining AI, GC, NFTs, and DeFi in gaming. We cordially invite the community to collaborate to develop the AI GC experience. With MetaMerge AI GC, our technology that generates exceptional and commanding pets for NFT holders, the community can actively participate in shaping its evolution. Embark on a journey to discover as you solve unique quests, strengthen your team, and create your own storyline. With intense PvP and PvE battles, you'll have the opportunity to become a legend in the arena. Join open tournaments for a chance to win prizes. Capture, collect, and merge monsters to create even stronger and more unique creatures. With endless possibilities and combinations, the sky's the limit in creating the ultimate team. Let's discover the wonders of MetaMerge together. So our game provides users with exciting opportunities to capture, train, and engage in a thrilling battle with their favorite pets. Through various interactive gameplay features, users can hone their pet training skills, unlock new and exciting abilities for their pets along the way. To start, visit the website And then you can log in. There's 2 different ways of logging in. You can do that on their page there. You can log in with your wallet as well if you want to connect your wallet, your crypto wallet. Embark on your unprecedented adventure by collecting and following the main storyline. Along the journey, there will be chances to encounter pets everywhere. Collect and tame them to become their loyal companions. There's 3 ways to obtain pets in the game. You can summon with coins, summon with diamonds, or capture. So it goes over how to summon with coins, how to summon with diamonds, how to capture them. There's pet boxes, super boxes, ultima boxes. There's different pet attributes like HP, hit points, or health points, whatever you want to call it. Attack, critical strike, race, profession, rarity, and star ratings. A class, B class, S class. So there's NFT pets. You can mint them. There's special editions ones, all sorts of different ones. So you can evolve your pets. There's merging. There's upgrading. They're reborn. You can go over how to do that. So there's battling as well. There's 3v3 turn-based combat. There's lineup strategy, pet skills, assets. So the token, it's a BEP20 token. How it's split up, how the token is allocated. 20% goes to team and advisors. 9% seed sale. We got 12% liquidity, 12% marketing, 20% in-game, 13% ecosystem and community, 14% reserve. And we have the supply. We already went over that. And then how to spend it. You could spend it on diamonds, coins, capture boxes, other asset packages. They have different monster towers, gyms, NFT marketplace and shop, box of fate. They have an album, brand and logo stuff. All that stuff is available on their page. Contracts, you can check all that out as well. All sorts of information available. Check out their webpage at metamerge.xyz. Now, of course, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about the Triple M token down there in the comment section. What do you guys think about this? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there for all those great central exchanges, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed. And thanks to everybody who's been supporting on Patreon, who's been hitting the join button, the super thanks button, all the ways that you guys have been supporting this channel. Really helps keep the channel going. Check out all the links for those as well down there in the description box. You can follow my Facebook page if you guys like. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.